Are you still struggling with stubborn dark spots and acne marks? Don't worry because you can experience ultimate clarity with this very easy yet really effective skincare routine that I'll be sharing with you. What's up, Vanity Friends? Welcome back to my channel. Namiss ko kayo. And for those who are new here, hi, my name is MJ Garcia Perez and I create videos about skincare and lifestyle. And if that is something that interests you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. In today's video, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo sa intro, magsi-skincare routine tayo na nagpo-focus mainly para talaga ma-lighten or ma-diminish na yung mga stubborn dark spots sa ating face. I know, karamihan sa atin struggle talaga yan. Madami ako nare-receive na inquiries. They tried a lot of products already but it seems like nothing is working. Guys, believe me when I tell you this, it's easier than you think as long as you're using the right product and you're consistent sa paggamit nito. Ma-achieve talaga natin yung ultimate clarity, magpe-fade talaga yung mga dark spots natin. So today, share ko sa inyo guys itong very easy yet really effective na skincare routine using itong mga Pond's products para ma-fade talaga yung ating mga dark spots. Alam niyo naman, trusted products ko itong Pond's, lalo na yung kanilang niasourcinol para talaga mapabrighten yung mga hyperpigmentation sa aking face. I've been using it for more than 6 months now. Yes, ganun na siya katagal guys, and I can attest na really effective talaga siya makapagpalighten ng mga dark spots and makapagpabrighten ng ating complexion overall. So first, we're gonna use the Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Day Serum with niasourcinol. This one, it's really effective. I'm telling you guys, it is clinically proven to be 85 times more powerful than vitamin C. Yes, ganun siya ka-effective guys. This product contains niasourcinol, as I've said, which is a combination of niacinamide and irisourcinol. And yung combination talaga na yun guys, nag-work talaga siya para mag-penetrate deeper into our skin para talaga ma-fade yung mga dark spots and hyperpigmentation. What I like to do guys is ginaglide ko lang siya very gently and then pinapat-pat-pat ko lang siya sa aking face. Fino-focus ko siya sa areas na may mga dark spots ako, ganyan, para talaga mas mag-penetrate siya doon. This one is a really lightweight serum. And napansin ko lang dito guys, bukod sa nakaka-lighten talaga siya effectively ng mga dark spots, nababawasan yung oiliness ko sa kanya. As in, ang ganda ng oil control ng product na to. So kung oily din kayo, magbe-benefit talaga kayo ng bonggang-bongga dito sa niasourcinol ng Pond's. It feels really comfortable sa skin, so perfect talaga siya for daytime. And at the same time, hindi siya malagkit, hindi siya heavy sa skin. As if you wear nothing, but mararamdaman mo talaga na nourish, nakapag-penetrate siya ng maganda sa skin natin. As you can see, upon application, na-remove niya yung dullness ng aking skin. It looks really plump and glowing. Ang ganda talaga guys. My skin feels really nourished right now after ko siyang magamit. That's why I really love this serum talaga guys. Kasi I feel like hindi lang isa yung natatarget niya na skin concern ko, which is yung dark spots. As I've said, ang ganda ng oil control nitong serum na to, tapos na-nourish or na-hydrate niya ng bonggang-bongga yung skin ko. So after natin maglagay ng Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Day Serum with niasourcinol, now naman is isa sa mga pinaka-importanting part para talaga ma-fade yung ating dark spots is of course, dapat pinoprotektahan natin siya laban sa harmful UV rays ng sun. Alam nyo, ang gandang i-partner nitong Pond's UV sunscreens doon sa kanilang niasourcinol. And I have 2 products right here. Bakit dalawa guys? Because dalawang variant po siya and ginagamit ko siya depending sa skin condition ko. So the first one is the Pond's UV Hydrate. This product contains hyaluron para talaga makapag-attract ng moisture and hydration to our skin. Ito, ginagamit ko siya guys kapag yung mga days na parang dry talaga yung skin ko. Bilang I have oily combination skin, may mga times talaga na super dry ng aking jaw area. Kapag ka ganun yung skin condition ko, ito yung ginagamit ko because indeed, nakaka-hydrate talaga siya. Kapag nga ginagamit ko to guys, hindi ko na kailangan mag-moisturizer because enough na yung moisture and hydration na nabibigay niya sa skin ko. Pero most of the time guys, kapag hindi super dry talaga yung aking jaw area, ito talaga yung palagi kong ginagamit, the Pond's UV Bright. This one, it's really good na i-partner siya doon sa Pond's niasourcinol because it contains brightening actives as well, such as niacinamide and glutathione. Yung mga actives na yun guys is nakakatulong para ma-brighten po yung ating dark spots and hyperpigmentation sa ating skin and para din ma-brighten yung ating complexion overall. By the way, this product contains SPF 50, PA++++. So usually 2-finger yung ginagamit ko na sunscreen. So nag-a-apply muna ako ng first layer. Ang gusto ko dito guys, super dali niyang i-blend, as in very easy lang at hindi siya nag-iiwan ng white cast. As you can see, isang kamay lang ang gamit ko sa pag-blend. Tapos konting swipe lang guys, nabiblend na siya ng maayos sa skin natin. Ramdam na ramdam mo agad na moisturizing din yung sunscreen na to, even the UV Bright. Nakaka-moisturize din siya pero hindi as intense no kanilang UV Hydrate na variant. But this one, enough yung moisture na bibigay niya sa akin everyday kapag hindi extremely dry yung aking jaw area. Alam niyo naman ako, gustong-gusto ko yung mga gatong products na multi-purpose siya. I mean, may mga skin-loving ingredients din siya. So, hindi lang siya basta sun protection. Natatarget din niya yung mga skin concerns natin such as dark spots, dryness, and dullness. Kaya naman, ang ganda talaga ng sunscreen na to. Tignan nyo naman guys kung gaano ka-healthy tingnan yung skin ko after. It looks really glowing, it looks really moisturized and hydrated. At pinakabongga sa lahat, wala siyang white cast. It feels really comfortable sa pakiramdam. Hindi siya heavy. At higit sa lahat, hindi siya sticky. Ayoko kasi sa mga sunscreen yung malagkit. With this one, pasadong-pasado siya sa akin. At alam nyo ba, sobrang daming magagandang reviews from our trusted influencers about this product. And through yung mga reviews nila guys, ang ganda talaga ng sunscreen nito. I hope you guys can try this product kung di nyo pa natatry kasi promise, ang ganda niya. Again, hindi lang siya basta sun protection. Ang dami rin niyang skin concerns na natatarget. So yun yung easy routine natin sa morning, and then at night naman, nag-a-apply ako nitong Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Night Serum. This product also contains niacinamide. Yung pinagkaiba naman niya sa day serum is mas potent lang po yung kanilang night serum. This serum is designed to work while we sleep guys. Nire-regenerate niya yung ating skin. Nire-renew niya ito and clinically proven guys. Nakakapagpa-lighten talaga siya ng mga dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Kung gusto niyo talaga ma-experience ultimate clarity, I highly suggest na gamitin niyo both the day and night serum because I promise you, super duper effective niya makapagpa-brighten or makapagpa-lighten ng mga hyperpigmentations. Yung application naman niya is same with the day serum. I'm just gently applying it on my skin. Alam niyo yung amazing sa serum na to, kahit mas concentrated siya, kahit mas potent siya sa day serum, hindi ako nakaka-experience ng irritation or redness sa aking skin, which is really good, yet it works really effectively. So there you go guys, that is our easy yet really effective skincare routine to fade dark spots. Remember guys, serum alone cannot treat dark spots. We need to protect our skin laban sa harmful UV rays ng sun. If you want to achieve ultimate clarity as well, go check out Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Day and Night Serum and the Pond's UV Hydrate and UV Bright Sunscreens. Available na po sila sa Lazada, sa Shopee, and sa lahat ng Watson stores nationwide.